Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the system cannot find the file specified error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt, go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. This process will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.